there is still a chance.
Good evening, ladies. Good evening to the friends forever. Hello. Kamusta po kayo? Ito po, hawak-hawak ko ang inyong napakagandang this is a huge pin, by the way. Talagang 5 lang ba sila?
5.
Ako, baka pwedeng makijoin ng mommy ko. Pero hindi na siguro. But hi to all of you. Pero ang gusto ko talagang batiin is someone very special who's celebrating her birthday. Tita Ching, happy birthday. Gusto ko talaga sanang mabati kayo ng personal, kaya lang Wednesday po ngayon and regular taping day ko ng Immortal, so hindi talaga po kaya unless maantay nyo ako ng mga bandang 5 AM. Kung nagsasayaw-sayaw pa kayo dyan, pwede, but I don't think medyo posible yun. So anyway, I got your invitation and I'm looking at your picture. Sabi po ni Sir, 40 years apart daw po. I'd say mga ano lang, mga 2 years apart, 20? But thank you po, but siguro po next year. Next year baka po magkaroon tayo ng chance na mag-celebrate together. Papuntahan ko kayo dyan sa inyong party. Anyway, again, happy birthday, and again, to my friends forever, I love you girls.
In my life, I love